The magic of love. Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, there lived a young woman named Lily. She was known for her kind heart and gentle spirit. Every day she would walk along the beach collecting seashells and dreaming of a life filled with love and adventure. But Lily was lonely. Though surrounded by beautiful nature and the sound of the ocean, her heart longed for someone to share her days with. One sunny afternoon, as Lily was walking along the shore, she noticed a young man sitting on a large rock near the water. He looked sad, staring at the ocean with deep, thoughtful eyes. His name was James. He had recently moved to the village and was trying to find his place in the world. He had been through a lot in life and wasn't sure where he was heading next. Lily approached him gently, her curiosity sparked by his quiet sadness. "Hello," she said softly. "Are you okay?" James looked up, surprised by her kindness. "I'm fine," he replied, but his eyes told a different story. "I'm Lily," she said, sitting down next to him. "I came here every day to walk along the beach. Sometimes the sound of the waves makes me feel peaceful. What about you?" James smiled a little, and for the first in days, he felt a small sense of comfort. "I'm James. I moved here recently. I'm just trying to find place, I guess." They began to talk about their lives, and as they shared their stories, they felt a connection. Lily told James about her love for the sea and how it made her feel alive. James shared his dreams of finding happiness after many years of struggle. They both realized that they were searching for something more in life, something that could fill the emptiness in their hearts. Over the next few weeks, Lily and James meet at the beach every day. They would talk, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. James admired Lily's kindness, and Lily was down to James' honesty and strength. They both felt a spark between them, but neither was sure how to express their growing feelings. One evening, as the sun began to set and the sky turned a beautiful shade of orange, James took a deep breath and turned to Lily. "I have something to tell you," he said nervously. Lily looked at him, her heart racing. "What is it?" James took her hand in his. "I think I am falling in love with you," he said quietly. Lily's eyes widened, and for a moment she could speak. She had always felt something special between them, but hearing him say it made her heart soar. Finally, she smiled and squeezed his hand. "I think I am falling in love with you too, James." From that moment on, Lily and James were inseparable. They spent their days together, enjoying the simple pleasures of life, walking along the beach, watching sunsets, and sharing dreams for the future. The love they had found in each other was the magic they had both been waiting for, and they knew their lives would never be the same. And so, in that small village by the sea, Lily and James discovered that love. like the waves was always there, waiting to carry them to a new beginning.